This is one of the most beautiful sights in Jamaica. Driving along the South Coast Main Road between Middle Quarters and Lacovia in St. Elizabeth, Jamaica, you cannot help but notice the beautifully arched bamboo trees along the nearly 2.5 mile stretch road. The Holland Bamboo Avenue, as it is known, was established in the 1700s by the owners of the Holland estate to provide shades for the travelers and to protect the road from erosion. The giant bamboo plants, which tower above the road and cross in the middle to form a shady tunnel, is such an oasis to behold. It is always so pleasant to drive along the Holland Bamboo Avenue, whether rain or shine. Holland Bamboo is a monumental landmark, not just for locals, but also for Jamaicans living abroad. Holland Bamboo has hosted known persons such as international superstar, the late great Michael Jackson's father, has visited and taken pictures there. So I was driving and I saw this lady. I saw all these colorful, beautiful items and I said I have to stop and fast. Like we Jamaicans would say. These are all lovely. Hi.
Hi.
What's your name?
Adette Williams.
Adette. Well, we're on the road. We're here in Holland Bamboo in St. Elizabeth. Beautiful place.
So and me make you more prettier.
Exactly. With this beautiful, all these things are so colorful and pretty. Very bright for the season. The right time you come out with them. So you made these?
I can, but no, because I work at the hospital.
Oh.
So I don't do it anymore. So I get somebody to make them for me, and then I come out.
Yeah.
And
what kind of work you do at the hospital?
Oh, I am a PCA, a patient care assistant.
Yeah.
I am an assistant to the RE.
Okay, so you work at Black River Hospital. And you come out and you still do your little hustling.
Yeah, man, this is my work. Because anywhere me there in life, I just put me there.
Really?
Yeah, man, I sell like food too, but me not no food in them. I sell like yam and banana, and Irish and onion and garlic and them something there. But me have to work tomorrow on the weekend.
Yeah.
So me not bother with the kind of stuff. They don't just be a waste.
Yeah.
If they come in like next week, car full of things.
Okay.
Whole heap of food.
Okay.
Yeah, man.
I like that. Very inspirational.
Yeah, man.
Oh, I hope young ladies out there watching. Wow.
I'm a little farming over there.
You farm too?
Yeah.
And that is my cup of tea, you know.
I lie.
Of course.
Yeah, man. I'm a little farming over there.
What you farm?
Alright, me do like sorrel, me do red gungo, the red peas not come good.
Right.
And pumpkin, and me do okra.
What?
Yeah, man.
Item you look good, man. So how you sell them for people who are interested?
Alright, it's like these.
Yeah.
Them here are not something. They're a liner.
Right.
So these are $500 for the 3 pieces.
Okay.
Alright, they call it a set.
Yes.
That one here?
Yes.
Them here are satin.
Okay.
You look on it?
Yeah, I
This
can
is
see the sheen.
It's a different material. This is a satin.
Yeah.
So these are for 700. I mean, I really carry too dear where you know poor people can buy it. You understand?
Yes.
Alright, you see these one here, so them here are $200. Yeah, so I cut out like those.
Okay.
First to come.
Yes.
And then want cut it out.
Okay.
You go like for the chair back.
Yes.
So when you cut it out, you get a pattern. Because it's a pattern, but most people don't know it. So this is a pattern.
Yes.
You understand?
Okay.
Hold on. So this is another pattern.
Right.
See it?
Yes.
But most people
and this is used to go under
chair back.
Chair.
Things get so rough now.
Yeah.
people use them for their whatnot, them dresser.
Yeah.
Them use them just about any little space
Yes.
where them have people use them for.
Oh, you have every color.
Yeah.
Every color you can think of. Wow. Very nice.
Give me no Odette.
That's alright.
You see, Odette Williams is a very inspirational lady. Patient care assistance is showing us Jamaicans that we can be versatile and make our income in more ways than one, and honestly too. Not true?
Yeah, man.
Yes, so if you want to purchase any of her beautiful pieces, you can contact her at
589-1248. 1 dozen, remember the 3 first number, then 1 dozen, then 4 dozen.
Alright, repeat it for them again.
589-1248.
Alright.
1 dozen, 4 dozen. Just remember the 3 first number.
Alright, alright.
I'm raise my goat. I want goat if you come. If you come, I know we just smell you and start all it all the locks. Yeah. I do me pig them too.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay.
You know you have to try every little thing to make life, you know, cause life is not just one way.
Yeah.
And I understand it's some man song yeah, that depend on man. Them days are done. Kind of work man can do right now, woman can do it.
Alright. I love that. Alright.
Alright.
Yeah. Take care.
Yes, and thanks. Yeah.
You're welcome. Alright.
Come on. You want more banana to buy?